Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Hard work never goes to waste. Results may take time, but hard work is rewarded one day. Shortcuts give temporary success. Hard work give lasting success. Regular hard work increases skill and experience. Those who work hard become confident. Hard work builds character and mental strength. Today's sweat creates tomorrow's success. Difficult effort is the foundation of big achievements. Hard work is stronger than luck. So never stop working hard, because the reward will surely come. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.